4,999 rupees. That is the price of an online course. The name of the course? Master ChatGPT and Claude AI. Become an AI expert in 7 days. And everything taught inside that course is already free on the internet. So today, 3 things. What these course sellers are actually selling, why it does not hold up, and where your money should actually go if you want to learn AI. Byte and Bolt. First, a little history, because this whole story starts there. ChatGPT came first, November 2022, and it won the marketing game. It won so hard that one equation got wired into everybody's head. AI means ChatGPT. Except that was never true. Because at that exact same time, one company was working quietly, Anthropic, and their model, Claude 3.5 Sonnet. And honestly, at that time, Claude 3.5 Sonnet was practically flawless. At coding, at writing, at actually understanding you, it beat GPT. Developers knew. The rest of the world did not. Why? One reason only: marketing. Today, that has changed. Today, people do know Anthropic and they know Claude. And even today, for professional work, for coding, for serious writing, Claude leads. And this is where the real story begins. When ChatGPT was trending, one thing flooded the market: master ChatGPT in 7 days. Earn lakhs with ChatGPT. Course, cohort, bootcamp, webinar. Then Claude started trending. And guess what happened? The same course, only the thumbnail changed. Now it reads Master ChatGPT and Claude. And I am not saying they only sell one model's course. No, they say we will teach you dozens of AI tools, models from every company. Fine, granted. But notice this. What is always the hook? Whichever model is trending, whichever name is viral, that is what goes on the thumbnail. And tomorrow, if Gemini takes the top spot, or GPT comes back, or some brand new model arrives, that name gets pasted on the thumbnail. The course stays the same, only the keyword changes. So, what is the problem? There are 2, and the first one will make you laugh. Problem number 1. AI models are free. Claude has a free tier. ChatGPT has a free tier. Gemini has a free tier. Right now, you can pause this video, open a browser, and use all 3. And if you want the advanced model, the pro version, then you buy a subscription from the model's company directly. Buying a course does not make that subscription free, understand? That course is not a key. It unlocks nothing. You will pay 5,000 for the course and still pay separately for Claude Pro. Money left your pocket twice. What did you actually get? So then, what do they actually teach? Prompt engineering and AI tools. And this is the funniest part of all. Look, what is the best way to learn prompt engineering? Writing prompts. That is it. Nothing else. Write a prompt, read the answer. Change one word, read it again. What changed? Now put that same prompt into Claude, then Gemini, then GPT. You will get 3 different answers. And all of this is free, unlimited, sitting right in front of you. This is a buffet where the entry is free and somebody is charging you 5,000 rupees to teach you how to read the menu. The truth is, 30 minutes of your own playing will teach you more than that course teaches in 7 days, because you know your own work. They do not. Now let us talk about the thing that is actually worth learning, how AI actually works. And first, let us kill one myth. AI is not new. AI has existed for decades. It is a very old concept. So what was the problem? There was no compute power. Machines were not strong enough, so nobody took AI seriously. Then GPUs arrived, compute got cheap, and the game changed. And AI is already all around you. Google Maps finding you the shortest route? That is AI. Text-to-speech reading a PDF out loud? That is AI. The video YouTube recommends to you, the one you are watching right now, that is AI. AI is not new. Its name just became famous. So, what is an AI model actually? Let me make it simple. 5 things. 1. A programming language like Python. 2. Mathematics, specifically linear algebra, matrices, vectors, dot products. 3. Data, a lot of data. 4. Training, which is running that maths over that data. 5. Compute power, your CPU, your GPU. That is it. That is an AI model. Those 5 things. There is no magic in it. And yes, you can train a model on your own laptop. Genuinely, this is not a joke. But here is the big but. You can only train a model as big as your CPU and GPU can actually handle. Your machine's power is your ceiling. And here is the thing that matters most. Data quality. How clean your data is, how you trained it, what technique you used. That is the entire difference between a good model and a useless one. And this is exactly why Claude, Gemini, and GPT give different answers. Different data, different compute, different mathematical architecture, different training choices. Now, at the start I said Claude is the best. That is true, but it is not the whole truth. Claude is the best for language, for NLP, for professional and coding work. But voice? Google is ahead. Video and image generation? Google is strong there too. Artistic image generation? Midjourney is still a top choice. And web search, where you want an answer from the live internet with citations? Perplexity was built for exactly that. So the question is not which model is best. The question is, what do you need? And once you know your own requirement, finding the right model is a 10-minute job, not a course. So, final point. Writing prompts, using tools, comparing models, learn this yourself, free, by playing with it. Do not pay anybody for this. And if you genuinely want to learn AI and you want to spend money, spend it here. Python, linear algebra, data, training, machine learning. Because tools will change, models will change, the trending name will change, but the knowledge of how to build one, that stays. If this video was useful, like it and subscribe. Byte and Bolt. See you in the next one.